tide, excitement a bubble far and wide. Lila ran and tripped mid-race, but smiled with joy upon her face. Her friends all clapped and said, "Hooray! You tried your best, that's fair play day." Tom spun high but turned around. He saw the ball still on the ground. He said, "Wait, that point's not mine," and helped his team stay fair and fine. The crowd went wild, they all could see how honesty makes victory. No trophy shine as bright or tall as cheering kindly for them all. The whistle blew, the games were done, but everyone had equal fun. They danced and sang before the sun, because fair hearts make everyone one. So play with joy, be kind and true, let honesty shine right through you. Win or lose, you'll always say, "I did my best on fair play day."